again, Mike from the Charles Mill Marina. Thanks for joining me today. I'm here with SunChaser's Geneva 20 LRDH. It's a really nice layout. It's a really slick black and tan look with some teak weave vinyl flooring. Why don't you come on board? Let me show you what this boat has to offer. First thing you'll notice, really spacious layout, lots of room for everyone to move. This boat seats up to 10 people. It does 8. Really comfortable. If you're going to mix some kids in, it'll definitely hold that 10 you're looking for. Under every seat there is storage space, so we're going to make sure we pack that with our safety package. You're going to have life jackets, throw cushions, fire extinguishers, anchors, and oars, all of those good things going right under these seats. There's plenty of space for it. One of my favorite features of this boat, these high back reclining seats here, so whether they're for the captain or his favorite first mate, great way to sit back. You can get them so you're comfortable, you can lean back, you can rest. Maybe even shut those eyes while you're out on the nice waters here in Ohio. As we head over to the captain's space here, we'll notice the wet down stereo here. It's Bluetooth compatible. We have 4 speakers on this boat. Really nice sound package. You may not be the loudest boat on the lake, but it will be really clear sound and really nice for folks on your boat. We do have a Humminbird Helix 5 fish finder, depth finder, so if you're looking for the fish, you're just looking to know where you're going and how fast you're doing it, really nice option there. And finally, as we work our way back, you do see the power bimini here and a really nice stainless steel ladder on the back. With everything we sell at the Charles Mill Marina, the safety package that I mentioned is included, a full mooring cover delivery anywhere in the state of Ohio, an on-water lesson, as well as a full tank of gas and a couple fenders are included with your purchase. We also are going to handle all your titling and registration needs here in-house, so the purchase is easy and you can head right to the lake. If you think this might be the boat for you, give us a call or text us at 419-368-5951 or check us on our website at www.charlesmillmarina.com. We'll see you soon.